As you see guys, that Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin give us here a nice candle. We'll reach till here, till exactly 18k. Then very quickly we dumped to 106k, and now it gave us here a pin bar or a hammer from the top. That bad guys here, it's look bad. That's the only things I can tell you. The only things now we can make something like that, like a triangle like that guys, and we wait in the break of it. If we break in here, that means more long. If the Bitcoin just touch here, then after the dump, that's going to be very bad for Bitcoin and crypto in general. By the way guys, before continuing, I want that video to reach to 100 likes. Guys, please, the past videos you don't support in us, so please my friend, if you haven't smashed that like button, go now, smash the like button, write down a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give long-term swing trading and day trading signals. As today we enter a long in Bitcoin, a long in the Sol. We don't want to enter in the XRP. That the trades guys, that the long of us in Bitcoin and that the long of us in the Sol. Sol it give us 38% ROI or return on investment. Same thing for Bitcoin, 32% guys. That only in one day, closer to 70%, who can give you this type of signals. So if you are interested to make money like that, my friend, no bias, no lies, no nothing. When we lose, we share it. When we making money, we share it. So if you are interested to make money like how professional people they do it, the link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here. If you haven't seen the member option, you see that one here. See member option, you click at it like that guys. It's going to open for you that one here. If you see that VIP cryptocurrency, just join it my friend, because that one here is it without VAT or without tax sales. If you don't, you see only elite crypto or gold member. Join one of them because it's applicable to you, the tax sales. So sorry for that, my friend. So you click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a very easy video. Just one link. You click at it to connect the Discord to Patreon, and voila, you are in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join or you're facing any problem to connect Discord to Patreon, you can text me either here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, Bitcoin here now. We got here now like a downtrend from that one here and that one here. Let's see if we are going to come back to test it here. That's possible guys, because it's going to test it. Either we're going to break it and we're going to see the Bitcoin pumping more. That number one scenario. Second scenario, we are not going to go more higher. And from here, we're going to dump guys. Even that one is possible. Me, I show you in the past videos, we told you we got here that head and shoulder here. That the head and shoulder guys, as you see, that the first shoulder, that the head, that the second shoulder here. So man, if the Bitcoin breaking here, we're going to see a huge dump to that market. For long now, same thing guys, we got here the downtrend here. You focused about it. If it's getting blocked here, you can catch along. But all the things we got here, no, we got something else here in Bitcoin in daily. Let me show it to you. What we got guys is it that one here, the candle of today. It managed to close above the 20 moving average, even if it got at that big tail from above, but we managed to break above the 20 moving average. That good news here. Let's see if we are going to pump from here. Also already we got along a swing trading and we're going to ride it till the top guys. That's what we're doing every time. Let's wait and see if the Bitcoin going to give us another pump and to break for us that last high here. Even that one is possible. So I think I explained everything. Now is going to see Bitcoin liquidity heat map, Bitcoin sentiment, Bitcoin ETF, and coming news of today. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are guys in the greed and fair index. Today we are 68. That man a little bit of greed, so we need to be careful my friend if that market going to dump some. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let's going to see Bitcoin ETF, what happened today, who buy, who sell. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are guys in Bitcoin ETF, as you see it here. For today, what happened? Grayscale today they buy 121 Bitcoin. Fidelity they bought 787 Bitcoin. ARK Investment, we don't got the data of them. BITB they bought 392 Bitcoin, and Grayscale Mini they bought 45 Bitcoin. The total Bitcoin being bought 1.35k. We don't got the data of BlackRock and ARK Investment, and it's coming. I'm going to show it to you tomorrow. So those ETF they are buying. Let's see how is that market going to react to that. Now it's going to see liquidity heat map guys, what it's telling us today. Here we are in liquidity heat map. In liquidity heat map, guys, based on the liquidity heat map here in 24 hours, it showed to us it's going to dump to liquidate those ones here. Because above we don't got a lot of stop losses as you see it, guys. And that's what market doing till now. It started dumping here. Let's see if it's that dump it's true or from here going to come back above. Even that one it's possible. So all the scenarios is possible. Also today we make very nice money from that long. Let's see now if the market going to give us a shot and we're going to ride it till the end. That's what us we doing every day. Now to get the clear picture as every day what else we doing here, we go from 24 hours to weekly, guys. Let me show you those things. Here in the weekly, guys, we got a very different picture than 24 hours. We got some stop losses here, but the big place we got a lot of stop losses above here, guys. You see it or no? So what is it, the view at this time? It's too hard to predict it, guys. Either that market can go more higher or fall down to liquidate those ones, but for 1 month or till the end of this month, both of them they are going to be liquidated, guys. If you don't know how to make money, that's very important, my friend. If you don't know how to make money from that market and you are interested to join us and to learn from professional people, that's the job of them. The link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Also 1 month, guys, no loss in trade in our swing trading system. So if you are interested to make money, my friend, the link is down. Go quickly before we bust that price. But it's up to you. Now let's go into see the coming news of today, guys. Here we are, guys. That's the coming news of today. Today is a very important day, guys, for market. Today we got Bank of Japan interest rate decision. That one it will not affect the market. But the most important thing is that one here, retail sales of USA. That one it will affect the market, guys. So you need to be careful about that one. It's going to come at 12:30 GMT time. It's going to create more volatility in that market. So you need to be careful exactly if you are a day trader. Over here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day here in that channel, guys. As you see it, all US indices today are green. Look at it. Nasdaq, it moved today 1.52%. The SP, same thing. Dow Jones, same thing. The only thing, guys, that Monday candle. So you need to be careful if we are going to see a bloodbath that week. Even though when it's possible, our friend down here, the VIX, Carnage and Fair, is a little bit higher. Yes, also we touched 20. Now we're coming back to 19.11. So let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. Now, let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. You see that candle here, what it's showing to us. I know it's not clear. I'm going to zoom it a little bit, but I want to show you. Also, we're bouncing from that very stronger zone here. Based on volume profile, also we've been talking about it a lot. We touch here the 100 moving average, which is the 50 moving average in daily. Now, what the view? We came here and we zoom it like that, guys. What you seeing? You see here what happened? That 12-hour candle, it's breaking above, but it shows us a big pin bar from the top. That, man, the bears, they're still powerful and they push it from here. Now another green candle which is going now. Let's see if that market going to recover and to break more higher. Even though one it's possible, guys. Me, my long a swing trading not yet hitting for me the first take profit. I'm still holding it and I'll let it to run till the top. That's what us we doing, guys. We told you that if you want to make money and you are struggling to make money from that market, you can join us. Yes, swing trading is not every day, but when it came, you can catch 4 or 5 coins. It's going to back all the money for all the week, my friend. But it's up to you. Maybe you find that style is too boring. You want high active. Day trading those days is too dangerous, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. Levels, you need to look at them today. Let me show it to you. Levels, same thing, guys. Nothing new here. That level here, we bounce from it today here, 106, 990. And that level down here, 102, 603. Plus, we got that level above here, 111, 959. Those ones, the 3 levels, guys, you need to look close at them, which direction that Bitcoin going, guys. So I think I explained everything here. Now, let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Here in 4 hours, we got now the downtrend here. You can do it like that, guys. Let me show you those things, what I'm talking about. As you see it, guys, the downtrend here, you can do something like that, guys. You see it here. What you got here, you got a head and shoulder, guys. You see that head and shoulder. As many of the Bitcoin breaking here, we're going to see the Bitcoin pumping more higher than that. That number 1 scenario. Second scenario, guys, what is it? Let me show you those things. We got here, that one here. Even the one we showed it to you before, we told you we got here up channel. We touched the lower of it. Maybe we are going to go back to touch the top here of that up channel here. That's possible, guys. But the most important thing you need to look at it is that head and shoulder, guys. That one here, you see it here? Very clear head and shoulder, guys. That the first shoulder, that the head, and at the second shoulder, guys. You see it here? So you need to be focused about it. If we break it here, we're going to pump. For short, same thing. That one here. You focused about it. If it's getting broke here, we are going to catch a short, guys. And also, we are ready for all scenarios. If you want even you to make money with us, my friend, we told you to join us. Yesterday, we showed you that small double bottom here. That's why also we're catching that long. First take profit of us is it exactly at that high here. And we're going to hit it, guys. Also, we know how to manage the trade. Even if it goes against us, we know how to come out without losses. That way, also, we're telling you, you can join us. We got something else here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Let me show it to you. Is it the one here, guys? The Bitcoin managed to break for all the 200 moving average. That's very good news. Now it's bouncing from here, from the 200 moving average. Let's see if it's going to pump again. Even that one, it's possible. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, as you see, it managed to enter here to the place where is the bulls, the contract. That's very good here. Now what we need to wait, that one here to be broke. That's possible, guys. If we break in here, we are going to come back again to extreme overbought area. That number one scenario. Second scenario, which is that very, very important, guys, is it that one here? Look with me here, what I'm going to show you. If you came here and you came to that tail here, that one here, and you're drawing here, that downtrend like that, and no, it will refuse to be drawing now, like that, guys. If we touch it here and we couldn't break it, maybe we're going to see another dump, guys. The market is very, very tricky those days. If you want to make money, we told you what to do, but the good news, also we managed to enter again to a zone where is the bulls, the controlling. Now, let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. In the Ethereum, same thing. We used to be here on top. We told you we are going to dump here. Now here it's breaking here the double bottom. We told you we are going to come back above. That's what the Ethereum doing, guys. Yes, it show here that big dump here after that USA announced maybe they are going to attack Iran. Then it was just a fake news. But the market is dump. Let's see now if the market going to recover, guys. Even that one it's possible. Also, we don't care about all those things. Also, we care mostly about the chart, what it's telling us. Now we got here the downtrend here, guys. Let me show you those things. I need to zoom it a little bit like that. Look with me here, guys. Now, if you came to the low of those candles here and you do like that, you got here an uptrend. That uptrend, if it's getting broke here, we're going to see that Ethereum dumping, guys. That number one scenario. So you need to be careful. If we break in here, we are going to dump, guys. For long, that's very important, guys. For long, what we got? For long now, you got that one here, the downtrend here. You wait it if it's being broken here. You can catch a long, my friend. We got something else here in the Ethereum in daily, which is very, very important, guys. I know majority of you, they skipping, they don't watch it, but you need to see it, my friend. Is it that one here, guys? The Ethereum couldn't manage to break for us the 200 moving average. So the Ethereum, it's look bad, guys. That's the reason why us we haven't entered in it. Now what the view? Let's see if we are going to manage to break the 200 moving average. That's possible, guys, because also we are stuck in a very stronger level, guys. As you see it here, if we manage to break the 200 moving average, going to be very good. If it's not, maybe from here we're going to dump, guys. So you need to be careful. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, same thing, guys. As you see it, he couldn't manage to stay above or down. That meant even here in our indicator is very difficult to trade it. That way also we haven't entered in it. That's the difference between us and other people, guys. Also, we tell you when to trade and when not. But it's up to you, my friend. Maybe you find $25 or $25 expensive. We put for your option to join, to pay via cryptocurrency, no matter where you are. Just use your crypto exchange and pay. If you are interested, of course, even the link of our Telegram is down, my friend, in the description of that video. Now, let's go in to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. The Sol is breaking here. We enter a long tail above here. It shows us a dump here. We're still holding our long, that what else we're doing every day. Now we still have here the down channel like that, guys. We touch the lower of it here. We are going back to touch the top of the down channel. That's what else we're doing every day here in that channel. We don't using something very fancy, guys, or something you never heard of, or a very extreme or highly paid indicators. Just naked chart like that, and we're making money. If you want even you, we told you what to do. We show you even that one. We've been talking about it a lot here, guys. We told you that very stronger zone. We touch it here. We bounce it above. Let's see now if the Sol going to manage to break here. The downtrend here, that one. If we break it, we're going to see the Sol pumping more higher, guys. If it's not, And it's going to be very bad if it's not, guys. We are going to catch it based on that uptrend, like how we done it here, like how we done it here, like how we done it in all those times, guys. If we couldn't break the downtrend here, from here we're going to catch another shot. That's what us we doing every day, guys. We got something else here in the Sol. Let me show it to you. Sol here is that stuck between those moving averages here, guys. As you see it touch here the 20 moving average. That's why market is very tricky those days, guys. As you see it, you see where we are. It's too hard to catch a direction. That's why us we tell you need to be with professional people. They know what they're doing. That is up to you, my friend. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today here in the Sol. Our indicator, guys, we got here the divergence downtrend here, the one. Like that, guys, and now it refused to be drawing here. We touch it now here, then we dump. Let's see if we are going to break it. If we break it, we are going to break that one here. So let's see what's going to happen, guys, in that Sol. Even from down here, we got a divergence uptrend, guys. So we got a triangle here. Let's see if that's all going to fall down again to test that one, then pump. Even that one, it's possible. Now it's going to see this XRP or Ripple we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. The XRP, also we haven't entered in it. I will be honest with you. Me, I see it. I tell some people they follow me. You can enter XRP long. Me, I haven't. It's breaking here that small double bottom as we show you in the past videos. Then it pumped till above here. Now it came that news. Now it showing us it's going to dump. That market is too mad, guys. Actually, it's breaking here, but it's been just a fake out. Let's see now what's going to happen here. If that XRP going to pump again, or from here going to dump, also we're going to catch it no matter where it goes, my friend. That's what also we're doing. The only thing now we touch here a very stronger zone here. So you need to be careful, guys, what's going to happen here. If it's breaking here, the XRP going to go back above here. If it's not from here, it's going to dump. We got something else here in the XRP. Let me show it to you. That's what we got, guys. The XRP couldn't manage even to break the smaller moving averages, hasn't reached to the 200 moving average. Let's see if is it from here going to dump. The XRP is too hard to trade it those days, guys. Look what it got in the way here. But also we managed to make money from it. Now here in daily we still have here the downtrend like that. Couldn't break it, guys. In 4 hours it look like it's break it, but here it give you just a tail here. So you need to be focused about it. If it's getting broke, that's more long. If it's not from here, you need to catch a shot. What I'm talking about, look with me here. Let me take it off those moving averages. Like that, guys. You came to that low here, that one. You see it? And here to the tails of those ones here. You got here a triangle, guys. That triangle, if it's getting broke here, long, guys, if that market from here dump and breaking down here, you need to catch a shot. Now it's going to see our indicator we're saying today here in the XRP. Our indicator, guys, as you see it touch here extreme overbought area. So technically we need to look to enter a short the zone. Also we touch a very stronger zone. I just show you in daily. Should we enter a short? Also we are waiting the confirmation here for us to catch a short. If you want even you to catch in those type of trades, if the XRP going to the home, we will help it. If the Ethereum going to the home, we will help it. You can join us, my friend. Also we don't care where is that market going. Long we go long, short we go short. We're making money from all the sides, and even you can do that. But it's up to you. Now let's go into see Bitcoin is doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Bitcoin here in 30 minutes give us here like a head and shoulder here. And no, it's not yet completed, guys. But it's going to give you here a head and shoulder like that. If it's getting broke here, we're going to see Bitcoin dumping more. Me, those days I don't day trade. If I want to day trade it, well, but from here when it's breaking here, I catch a shot. That's what me don't do those things those days. Now I'm still waiting. If the Bitcoin that zone here, that one, will touch it now. Going to push it to back above. That possible, guys. If it's not, look at that zone here or that order block here. That one here. Bitcoin touch it, then it dump. Let's see now what's going to happen here in the coming hours or coming minutes or coming days if that Bitcoin going to dump. And also we are ready for all scenarios, guys. You can now, if you haven't seen all that, you can do something like that, guys, like an up channel like that. You see that up channel. Here it touched it, guys. Now it's going back to touch the lower of it. If it's break it down here, that's more dump. If it's not, it's going to come back above. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's enter here to the zone where is the bears, the controlling. That man technically is going to dump more than that. May I just show you here that head and shoulder here. Me day trading those days, I don't give signals of day trading, guys, because that market is unpredictable for short time frames. That's why also we focus just about swing trading, because swing trading, that where majority of the traders there with us, they're making money. Majority of them, they double their account. Even you can do that, but you need to have the discipline to avoid day trading. It's up to you, my friend. Now, that's it for that video, guys. If you like our content, make sure to smash the like button. If you don't like it, there is the dislike button. You are free to do whatever you want. You can write a comment, share the video if you want. Well, that's it for that video. See you in another video. Bye for now.